So, what exactly is SIP, I may ask? For the audience, can you explain what compounding means?
Have you heard of the snowball effect, where a snowball gains traction over time as it rolls downhill? Compounding is basically the same theory, where your money starts making money on itself.
As Dhruvan just said, it's simple, practical, powerful. Remember, budgeting isn't restriction, it's direction. You are earning, managing expenses. But then this thought comes, यार अभी 2000-3000 रुपए इन्वेस्ट करके क्या ही होगा? So you delay it, you wait for a better time, a bigger amount, a clear plan. And before you realize it, years pass. But what if I told you that same 2000 rupees, if started today, could quietly turn into something big over time? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Let us ask Dhruvan about it.
So, talking about discipline and financial at large, so there is a term called SIP.
Yeah.
So, what exactly is SIP, I may ask?
It's basically systematic investment planning, where you put in a small amount, doesn't matter what amount you put in, into a mutual fund every month, and you keep that going. And pretty soon, as I said before, you'll have a big corpus amount at the end, and you just need to stick with the discipline, and you need to keep that going. Because when you put in an SIP into a fund, it keeps compounding over time, and then your money will actually start making money on itself, and that's double the income that you already get.
So, you mentioned compounding. For the audience, can you explain what compounding it means?
Have you heard of the snowball effect? It's where a snowball gains traction over time as it rolls down. And compounding is basically the same theory, where your money starts making money on itself. So you keep getting returns over your returns, and that's how you actually make money over time.
Audience, please make a note of it, because everyone hears this term compounding, but hear what compounding actually means. Thanks, Dhruvan, for enlightening us. It's a very good explanation which you gave. So now I want to just take a example. Have been a situation, there has been a doubt. People say, okay, I started investing, but I didn't see much growth.
Yeah, many people fault over that. It's not their fault. It's just that there's this rule we stick with. It's the 7531 rule. When you start putting in an amount, you won't see anything for the first 7 years. You'll barely see it growing. Then in the next 5 years, you'll start to see that money getting some traction, start getting returns over. Following 3 years, you'll see a huge jump over your initial invested amount, and that's when you see your corpus actually gaining momentum. And in the last 1 year, that's where you see your actual corpus be as good as it can be based on how much you have invested. That's the rule we should stick with. And again, like we said before, it's about the consistency and the discipline that you keep. Because if you pull out between these years, you won't see much of any returns, and that will actually discourage you from investing. So let's just take an example. Again, Mr. Rahul, who earns 50K, puts his amount over a fund that gives you like 12% annual return. If he stuck with that amount for, let's say, 15 years, roughly the amount he'll be getting is 10 lakh rupees. But if he waits for 5 more years, and by year 20, he'll be gaining nearly 20 lakhs. That's double the amount gained in 5 years.
Wow.
So again, it's the consistency and the discipline that you keep, and that's how you make money in the market.
So that's the discipline which everyone should follow, because it's all about compounding and being consistent over the time.
Absolutely.
So what should someone do if they haven't started yet?
Start now, because see, the more you delay it, that's more money you're losing. So there's no better time than now. So just go for it. And it doesn't matter what amount you're investing, because there are many funds that offer you SIPs for 200 rupees or 500 rupees. And you just start with that. And as you keep growing, you can increase that invested amount and just keep that discipline going.
So you're saying start small, start early.
Exactly.
Start 200 rupees or 500 rupees.
Doesn't matter how much you start with, but it matters is when you start, and you just start right now. That's all I'm going to say for the audience.
So start right now, guys. It's high time now. Yeah.
So you just heard Dhruvan right now. Start small, stay consistent, because in investing, time is more powerful than money.